Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is the question: 3x upon x plus 3 plus 1 upon x is equal to negative 9 upon x plus 3. So in order to solve this question, first of all we arrange this and shift this negative term on the left hand side. So once it is negative on the right hand side of equality, so when we shift it on the right hand side, on the left hand side of this equality, so it becomes positive. So I have rewritten this one, this factor, and then this becomes plus 9 upon x plus 3. Now taking LCM, so LCM is x here, and this x plus 3 and x plus 3 we will write once. So this is the LCM. Now simplifying the numerator, 3x will be multiplied by x, because x plus 3 is already there. So when we'll compare it with this LCM, so we will not write x plus 3, we will only multiply with x. Now the numerator of this term is 1. It will be multiplied by x plus 3 because x is already there, and we will not write x, we will just multiply by x plus 3. Plus the numerator is 9 here, 9 will be multiplied by x. So this will be equal to 0. Now we will open the bracket and simplify it. So it becomes 3x square plus x plus 3 plus 9x upon the same LCM is equal to 0. Now here we will cross multiply this denominator with 0. So once anything multiplied by 0 gets 0, so on the right hand side will be 0, and then the numerator remains same over here. Now out of the first two terms and the last two terms, we will take first two terms, 3x is common, so we are left with x plus 3, and from the second part x plus 3 nothing is common, so we will write x plus 3 as it is. Now from this again x plus 3 here and x plus 3 here, so x plus 3 is again common. Here we have written here, and then once x plus 3 is common, so it is left, we are left with 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So now this expression is equal to 0. So either x plus 3 factor will be 0 or 3x plus 1 will be equal to 0. So from this factor, we will get the value of x as minus 3. And from the other factor, the value of x is minus 1 upon 3. So the answer in this question is minus 1 upon 3. It cannot be minus 3. Now I'll explain why it cannot be minus 3 and why the answer is minus 1 upon 3. Why the answer is not minus 3. So here x cannot be equal to minus 3 because when we will put the value x is equal to minus 3 in this question, so you see minus 3 plus 3, it gets 0. So division by 0 is not allowed. So it will be meaningless. So this x minus 3 cannot be factor of this equation. The other factor is x is equal to minus 1 upon 3 is the solution, because when I will put this value x is equal to minus 1 upon 3 in this given question, so 3 in place of x I'll put minus 1 upon 3 divided by negative 1 upon 3 in place of this x plus this 3. I have written here. Then plus 1 upon the value of this x is negative 1 upon 3, I have put here, is equal to negative sign here, 9 here, and then x will be replaced by the value of x, which is negative 1 upon 3 plus 3. Now we will solve, when we will solve it and simplify it, both sides get equal. So it means that this value of x, it is satisfying the given equation, this one. So it means that this is the valid answer of this question. Thank you for watching.